Hey guys, welcome to Sam 610. So in today's video, I'm going to do another AirPods unboxing that I got for Five Below for $8. I would appreciate if you hit the subscribe button and smash the notification bell to be updated on any of my upcoming videos. So here is the AirPods that I got for $8 at Five Below, and they actually come with a charging case, which seems really cool. So we're going to go ahead and check that out. I'm also going to compare with these AirPods that I got from Five Below also, and these are actually Bluetooth 4.2, which is old technology. Alright guys, so here is the true wireless earbuds that I got from Five Below. They are Bluetooth and I paid $8 online for them. It says they are prepared and ready to use, which is awesome. So here is the back of the box, and as you guys can see, the features are true wireless earbuds, charging case included, hands-free, LED light indicator, supreme sound, pre-charged and ready to use, and charging case, charger, earbuds up to 3x, whatever that means. And you can see the specifications. I won't get into all the voltage, but you guys can see that the calling time is 2 to 3 hours, music time 2 to 3 hours, and standby time is around 300 hours. And as you guys can see, the package contains charging case, 2 wireless earbuds, 18-inch micro USB charging cable, and instruction manual. And again, prepared, ready to use. Alright guys, let's get these open. I'm really excited to be sharing this with you guys. This is going to be probably one of my favorite unboxings that I ever done from Five Below. Get the knife out of the way here. Safety first, guys. Safety first. Oh wow, this thing's getting hard to open. Oh, look at that. We got more. We have another piece of tape not allowing this to open. There we go. Alright, so look at this, guys. This is what we have. We have the case, which seems rather big. It's probably almost the same size as a, I guess I can compare it to a traveling size stick of deodorant. A lot of you guys, girls, might know what that is when you travel. It's probably a little bit smaller than that. So let's get this open. Alright, so right away, this is a, doesn't feel like it's magnetic. So this kind of just clips off and on. You guys can get a good look at that. So this is not magnetic, so, oh wow, look at that, actually closed when you try that. Kind of impressed it's actually able to shut by just doing that. So again, this isn't magnetic. It's like an opening here and an opening there, and there's 2 tiny clips. It might be might be hard to see under here, 2 tiny clips. Here's the iPods, so it looks like these actually clip in from the bottom. There's holes in the bottom of these, and here is the other one. So I'm really excited because, oh whoa, look at that, it actually turned on. I did not think this would turn on right away, but it turned on. So it looks like these face the opposite direction, and it looks like it's showing that these are on, so now they're off. So I'm going to compare one of these. I'm actually going to take these out of the case. It looks like they are both turned on, so we will get them in my ear in a few minutes. So right off the bat, I can see these are the same as my other ones. You can see here. I'll actually include a link to the video of the other review that I did of the other Five Below iPods that I got for $5. And again, guys, these cost $8. So I'm curious to see, you know, what these are. These are Bluetooth 5.0. So here is the old ones. Size comparison. You guys can see these are actually the same size as the other ones, as my old ones. So right away, it's, you know, a major turnoff. I thought these were actually going to be a little bit smaller, so I'm actually kind of disappointed these aren't smaller. But hey, what do you expect for $8? But I'm very, very excited that these came with this charging case. Makes it a lot easier than having cables all over the place. I mean, in all honesty, the only difference is these connect to a cable. There's one for each side, and they plug into an iPhone cube, or they can charge into your laptop. And again, this is the same thing as the other ones. So the only difference I see is that these are the 5.0s, and again, they come with this charging case as well as a USB cable, which I did not see in here. So let's take a look. So here is the USB cable, and it's black. So yeah, it is what it is. So this would actually plug into here like this. So wow, this is really cheaply made. You guys can tell right off the bat. So all right, so that's plugged in right there. This is kind of like a flimsy plastic. I wouldn't be surprised if this breaks. Doesn't last too long, but you know, it is what it is. This, you could tell this cord right here is very cheaply made, and yeah, this is, I'm struggling just to get this out of here. So wow, you really got to get that out a lot of force. All right, there you go. I finally got it out, but you can tell this is a really cheap flimsy cable. But again, you know, $8. You get the, you know, the 2 earbuds. You get the case and the USB for $8. You know, whatever. I'm gonna pop them in my ear, and we're gonna get them linked. It says that they can link really easy, so I'm gonna go ahead and get these synced up. So there really shouldn't be much to do but to turn them on and to find the Bluetooth setting, and you know, I'll put them in my ear and we'll see what they sound like, and I'll let you guys know what I think. All right, guys, welcome back. So I'm gonna turn one on, and it says these come pre-charged, so we'll see. You gotta turn the other one on. Let's see if we can get another red light. Okay, there we go. So we've got a blue and a red light. So I'm gonna try and get these to sync up here with my Bluetooth. So here we are. We are in my device, in my phone rather. So it's searching. Here we are. True Blue BE301. Hopefully you guys can see that really good, because I can barely see this through my GoPro. Alright, so let's sync this up. Let's see, it looks like it's trying to connect. So hopefully it's this easy to get these to connect. You can see here I have other Bluetooth devices here on my phone. I have quite a few different things that I probably don't even use anymore. Okay, so it says these are connected, so I'm going to get these in my ear, and unfortunately I'm not going to be able to play any music due to YouTube's copyright issues, but I will turn my phone over and I'll put them in my ear and I'll let you guys know what I think. Alright guys, welcome back. Well, I had them in my ear, and as I had the other ones in my ear in my last video, it sounds like I have a pair of earmuffs on. I can barely hear. Hopefully you can see this. They are very big in my ear. It kind of sounds like when you have a cold and your nose is stuffy and you can barely hear yourself talk. These are really big in my ear. So if you're using them for, you know, working out, you know, going for a walk, you know, in the office, and you want to pop in something that's Bluetooth and you don't want to be connected to a wire, I probably would recommend these just for that very reason. But would I recommend you to buy these for $8 from Five Below? Absolutely not. Save your money, guys. I hate to see you spend your money on something that would just be a complete waste. So if you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and as always guys, later.